I beg at home to get a piece.
I mean, all of them. Guys are doing good.
Good job, guys. Very good job.
Relax. Take your drink.
Yeah.
Take a drink. Oh, there you go. Don't worry about it. We'll get you cleaned up. Okay, can you eat this? Oh, he's still eating.
Some of them are drinking them down. We need to get them refilled.
You need a refill.
He's asking for more. You can eat the whole thing.
Eat them up right here and eat them up.
Boys, can you use more?
There's man. Don't choke, yeah. Swallow them. Chew it up and swallow it.
How about this one? You want to share some here? All right.
Slow down, slow down. Yeah. You can eat it.
Easy. Good job, guys.
You can eat some more.
Good job, guys.
There's some more? You can eat some more.
I don't care.
Drink. Get something to drink.